Whether there's an audit on the immediate horizon or not, the job of a food safety manager is never slow. The sheer amount of data to track and interpret makes sure of that. In order to do the job effectively, a food safety manager needs to ensure that his or her company's environmental monitoring program is being completed across facilities. And to do the job above and beyond effectively, the manager needs to be able to spot areas of inefficiency where improvements can be made. In comes Neogen Analytics. The software allows a food safety manager to view all food safety test data across one or multiple facilities with just a few clicks. No need to dig through stacks of binders or mountains of paper before an audit. With Neogen Analytics, everything is located on the cloud. With the system, it's easier than ever to plan corrective actions and maintain compliance with regulations. It works like this. The software provides users with a high-level overview of the overall compliance standards, and drill down to see various test points on a real facility map. Uploaded photos can provide additional information, and users can view the specific pathogens, allergens, or other targets for testing, both historically and in real time. Neogen Analytics Insights Dashboard combines test results from multiple sites, providing a complete picture of risk, keeping tabs on where corrective actions are open, and showing where repeat offenders cause the most trouble. Neogen Analytics also allows food safety managers to automate manual tasks such as test schedules and corrective action workflows, saving time and reducing the risk of human input error. With a system that provides a roadmap for executing and analyzing environmental monitoring programs, removing guesswork, food safety managers can reduce food safety risk, protect their organization's brands, and properly increase operational efficiency, both in human capital and machinery. Thanks to the continuous self-auditing nature of the software, pre-audit scrambles become a thing of the past. Neogen Analytics can automatically generate pre-formatted reports that can be accessed in just a click. Learn how you can take control of your data and make your food safety program as effective as possible. Contact Neogen to learn more or schedule a demonstration.